Hello, I'm Rastakżywa, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create an app and assign assets in Metapro Market. After login to metapromarket.com, go to developers portal page. First thing to do is to create your team. Fill all necessary fields and hit create team. Go back to developers portal and scroll down to see apps section. Currently, we don't have any. Let's change that. Click on Create App button, then you will have to fill all required fields. Important thing is to select proper team that application will be assigned to. Your application is now created. If you go back to developers portal and select your team, you will find your apps assigned to that team. Next step is to assign some assets to our application that we will be able to use in-game. Go to Explorer, Show all assets. You can filter and specify which assets you want to use. Let's select some box. Check the asset description and scroll down to find For Developer section. Here you can assign this asset to your app. Go back to developer portal and you will find assigned assets to your game. Under Show App Key button, there's a secret key to import application in Metapro for Unity SDK. You are ready to create applications and assign assets to them.